What's going on, guys? Just got back from picking up the 1.6 for the eBay budget drift Miata. It's got 170,000 miles on it. He said it was rebuilt at 150. So here's the motor. It's pretty much just a stock 1.6. It had some alterations. It was previously turboed, so it has a hole in the oil pan. I'm just gonna swap it out for the oil pan on the other motor. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully within the next couple of days, since it's raining out here in San Diego, I'll go ahead and swap it, and hopefully it runs.